So now that you guys have seen me model and we've discussed the critical attributes and how it connects to my IGP through our step out questions, I want you to spend a little time with your planning guides and plan how you're going to implement this in your classroom, focusing specifically on your IGPs and how this connects to your IGPs. For instance, we all have the same student goal to improve problem solving to 40% high and 40% medium. So we know that these critical attributes, as we just discussed, all connect to our student goal and set our students up for success, but we don't all have the same teacher goal. So when I discussed with you what I did to make sure that my students were providing each other academic feedback, because that's my IGP, I added a critical attribute in to meet my teacher goal. So in your planning guide, you're going to need to think about what critical attribute you can add to your individual instruction so you can meet your teacher goal. So as you're doing that, just be sure to focus on your IGPs and your student and your teacher goal. I'm going to give you about 10 minutes to plan, and then we're going to practice together. I'm going to give you instructions for that practice piece after you finish. Okay, so now that you've had time to plan, we are going to move into the practice portion, and again, this is where you model your teaching in a practice scenario. So you'll rotate through acting as the instructor and acting as the students. The two people that are acting as students, I want you to pay specific attention, and on the PowerPoint there are questions for you to answer in the form of feedback to the instructor. So first, what did you see your partner doing that will ensure the student goal portion of the IGP is met? And second, what did you see your partner doing that will ensure that the teacher portion of the IGP is met?